Experience the flavors of this wonderful recipe with a delicious cake featuring unique fillings. Start with the chocolate passion fruit filling. Chop dark chocolate and then heat passion fruit puree until it simmers. Pour it over the chocolate, let it sit, and stir until smooth. Boil heavy cream with sugar, combine with the chocolate mixture, and let cool. Next, prepare the strawberry Oreo filling. Chop fresh strawberries and crush Oreo cookies. Beat cream cheese and powdered sugar until smooth. Fold in strawberries and Oreo crumbs until well mixed. For the ganache, chop dark chocolate and heat heavy cream until it simmers. Pour over the chocolate, let it sit, and stir until smooth and glossy. Cool slightly. To assemble the cake, spread chocolate passion fruit filling on the bottom layer. Add another cake layer, and then spread strawberry Oreo filling. Repeat the layers and fillings. Finally, coat the entire cake with ganache, smoothing it out. Decorate with chocolate hand and spider decorations for a spooky touch. Allow the ganache to set before serving. Check the description for full details.